Hey folks, how you going? No, I haven't posted a video for a while now, for various reasons. However, I'm going to post one today because what I'm going to do is attempt to dismantle and locate the battery to my Garmin GPS. This is the 3597 LMT. As you can see, I've had a small problem with it. I had it resting on something and it sort of fell off and smashed. So she's still works, as you can see. However, you go to push some buttons and nothing happens. No good. It's broken. Look, you could probably get it fixed, but I just bought a new one. Same one again I bought. Great unit. Awesome. But I'm going to try and locate the battery to it, in case there's someone out there who has one of these with a rooted battery. Hopefully I can help them, rather than me just chucking this in the bin. So here we go. Obviously, if you guys are watching this and you know about the 3597, it's not waterproof. However, it's glass screen, and basically you can't pull it apart. However, I believe if you heat the screen up, you can get the glass screen off and see if we can get into the guts of the thing. If I can't get it apart carefully, I should choose to do it not carefully by using some agricultural tools. Okay, without further ado, let's pump this up to about 600 degrees. And see what's going on here. I'll just turn it on. Obviously you don't want it too hot, otherwise you're just going to start destroying components, etc. So I believe, from my limited bit of reading, I'm going into this pretty cold, as you can probably work out. Currently running at about 610 degrees. Trying not to cook it. You can see it's starting to get a bit heat affected. It's not going to work, is it? Excuse me a minute while I just something. Disregard. Okay. So what we're going to try and do is to get our screwdriver underneath the glass. There we go, look at that. Perfect. Oh dear. Quick smell test. I can smell glue. So look, we're on the right track. It's a matter of heating it all up. I don't think this is actually going to fix anything. If you guys need to do this at home, I think you're pretty all knackered. But if nothing else, it will help us learn as to exactly what is inside the 3597. See, that's sort of coming off there. Wasn't too bad, that one. Okay. So I'm just going to have to pull this off in a billion pieces because obviously, yeah, my glass is cracked. The glass wasn't knackered on this unit. I suspect it might be a different story. Let's just get these edges here off. Well, I certainly wouldn't like to be doing this with a working unit. Of course, if you're doing this, you're flicking glass up into the sky, wear eye protection, folks. I'm saying that because I don't have any on. Okay, so underneath here looks to be a whole load of glue. And more components. Let's see if we can work on the other side here. It's not telling us anything. Certainly not an easy unit to get into. It's starting to cool down a little bit now, so I might put a bit more heat on it. I'm surprised I haven't cut myself yet. What happens now when you turn it on? Bloody hell, it's still working. Yeah, we might have an issue now. Okay, it's time for a drink. Not too sure what's going on there, but I'd say she's buggered. Oh, still beeping at me. I'm coming, battery, I'm coming. Alright, let's big piece this one. Oh, here we go. Now we've got it. This was a piece that I wanted to remove to start with. Instead of removing the glass, remove the entire panel, folks. As you can see, which includes the digitizer. It's all coming apart now nicely. Here we go. Okay, so you've got your digitizer under there, got your knackered screen, and your glass on top. So there's two layers there. So possibly I started at the wrong end. Looks like maybe you have to start from the end that has the Garmin on it. So make sure you start from that end. It looks like the goodies down this end, and you can see how that's all glass there and it stops here, so could be the battery area. If you know something I don't, please don't send me abusive messages and remarks, because as I said, I'm going into this stone cold. Look at that. That's knackered. Okay. I think I found the cause of the problem. That's wet. Stinking thing got wet. Okay, let's see if we can go deeper now. that? Oh. I suspect something comes up here. Oh! There we go. 1334. Life extinct. Oh, no, we've got life again. I was just going to pronounce it. Dead as a doornail, but the Garmin lives on. Not for long though, I'm afraid. Oh, look at that. So I'm just, that's a sort of unclippy type of thing. There's definitely water there. That's our problem. No, she's dead now. 1334, pronounced my Garmin. 3597, dead. Life extinct. Looks like someone's been scribbling on it. 11830, Jews. Who's been doing that? Writing shit on there. So, that's actually well and truly wet. That's the cause of our problems. Oop. Okay, digging in deeper, what's presented to us is a incredibly, holy shit, look at that rust, bloody hell. I didn't even know there was an SD card slot down there. Look at that. Didn't know that. That is as rusty as all rusty. Bloody hell. And here we have our official Garmin battery, which is, funnily enough, glued in. So, let's see if we can, oh, hell spells. Does nothing come out of here easily? Let's pull that off. I think that's my battery, so I'll look after that. Let's pull these connectors here off. Look how rusty that is, folks. That could explain. Yeah, it looks like it might have got a bit of water in it. Not to worry. Oh, just came out, you bastard. What's it doing? Oh, there's one left. Sorry, two left. So, underneath here we have our GPS unit, speaker, so I'll take that off, USB charging port, on off button, G25B. Well, that's a hell of a lot of rust, isn't it, folks? I'm surprised the thing was still running. Although, hasn't quite got to the components yet. What a tough, robust unit. I mean, like I just said, I didn't actually realise it had a SD card slot. Okay. Alright, we don't need that. That's rooted. Yeah, so is that. The case, rooted. Can't do much more with it. Here we have a button. Turning it on and off, pops out. Cover there. The battery is still a bit of a mystery. I need to bring in the big guns. Oh, just found some strong magnets. Rightio, there we go. Couple of connectors. Super sticky. So there you have it, folks. If you can get to this battery without completely destroying the whole unit, you're looking at a 3.7 volt, 1020 milliamp hours, 3.8 WH. rechargeable Li-ion battery, Garmin, part number 361-00070-01. I'll keep that. I shall use it on the Garmin I have now. So this backing cannot be removed either easily. Yep, that comes off inwards, so that's useless as well, apart from cool magnet. Look at that, that's a strong magnet. So I'll take those magnets out and use them for something. Oh. Oh, strong little buggers. Oh, jeepers creepers. Scared the bejeebies out of me. Oh, they're strong magnets. And again, the thing never did fall off of its mount. Okay, there you have it, folks. Look, if you can remove this and this intact by attacking it on the Garmin side, i.e. with the power button up top, that's the left. You'll see a little bit of a, there we go, there's an indentation just there. So that's our point of entry, or your point of entry, should you need to remove it. Okay, and by then yep, you might be able to remove this intact. If you can remove this intact, you can get to the battery, no drama. However, if you can't get this out, it should actually come out quite well. I started off with the glass because it was broken, but if you can get your screwdriver down past that point, it's basically held in with some plastic clips, and this whole thing will come out in one hit. Just be careful of, obviously, the power connector, which connects up to the, nearly lost my camera, which connects up to your circuit board, which is on the back, so that's going to have to come around like that, so be careful of that, or however it went. So alright, mission is successful. We'll have my battery, and hopefully I've helped out at least one person out there. And I can't finish the video without using my hammer. Done. Awesome. Whew. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to tidy up and I'm going to fly a drone. See you next video. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, all the hoo-ha. See you next time. Bye.